Hare Krishna. Giving classes with preparation and giving classes without preparation. Two of them have different results. Many of us wants to give classes, many of us wants to preach, but we don't know how to make notes for studying, how to make notes for giving classes. There are various kinds of classes like giving a class in a temple, how to prepare for it, giving a Sunday feast class, giving a Namata class, giving seminars on Bhagavatam. So how to prepare for this? Does this preparation start just a day before? No, we need to prepare this much in advance. I started preparing my notes in 2007 and I started actually practically full-time preaching in 2014. For 7 years it took me a lot of efforts, lot of association of devotees and understanding from them how to prepare notes. So Bhagavad Teachers Training Course is going to train you up how to prepare notes for studying, how to prepare notes for giving classes, and how to revise those notes, how to polish those notes. So there are so many things which happens over the notes making. And Bhagavad Teachers Training Course is going to help you with this amazing techniques. So what are you waiting for? If you also want to give nourished classes, if you want to also create an impact and transform the life of others, then the impact, the transformation has to start from ourselves. We need to first start preparing our classes before presenting. So this course, this Bhagavad Teachers Training Course is going to help you. Hare Krishna.